Hello children, now let's do change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. One question from this chapter we are going to do now with adjustment of capital. Okay, let's see. So this is the question. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 3 is to 3. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet is as follows. So this is the profit sharing ratio. And their balance sheet is also given. Capital Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh, Ganesh, their capital is given. Then sundry creditor is there, workman compensation reserve, then fixed assets and current assets. Okay, from the above date the partners decided to share future profits equally. So their new profit sharing ratio equally. For this purpose the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 90,000. Goodwill is 90,000 rupees. Claim against workman compensation reserve will be estimated at rupees 1 lakh. Workman compensation claim is 1 lakh rupee and fixed assets will be depreciated by 10%. So these are the adjustments. Okay. Now the capital of the partners will be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. Capital also should be adjusted. For this necessary cash will be brought in or paid by the partners as the case may be. So this is the question. These are the adjustment. So assets value is changing here. Then workman compensation reserve also adjustment is there. So first we need to do revaluation account. Okay. So what is the workman compensation claim? Claim against workman compensation reserve will be estimated 1 lakh. What is the reserve? Reserve is only 75,000, but there's a claim of 1 lakh rupee. So that excess 25,000 we should transfer to the debit side of revaluation account. Provision for claim against WCR, workman compensation reserve is 25,000. Okay. Now fixed assets will be depreciated by 10%. Fixed asset value is 6 lakh. Its value should be reduced by 10%. So 6 lakh into 10%, 60,000 we should write, as it is a loss. These two things are loss, so we are transferring it to the debit side of revaluation account. So there is total loss of 85,000. This loss should be shared among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 2 is to 2 is to 3 is to 3. Okay. In this ratio we need to transfer to partners capital account. Here we transferred it 17,000, 17,000, 25,500, 25,500, total 85,000. Okay, this amount we transfer to the partners capital account. Okay, fine. Now we have to do partners capital account. So for while preparing partners capital account, first item to be posted is the opening capital balance. It is given here 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 2 lakh, 2,50,000. So I am going to write this amount to the credit side of partners capital account. Let's see. After that, see. So opening balance is 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 2 lakh and 2,50,000. This is the opening capital balance. Okay. Then revaluation loss was there, is it? So I should transfer the revaluation loss to the debit side of partners capital account. So 17,000, 17,000, 25,500 and 25,500. Okay. So first two entries I made. Now I should do the goodwill adjustment. So what is the amount of goodwill given in the question? Total amount of goodwill is goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 90,000. This goodwill I should share among the partners. For sharing the goodwill, first I should find the sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio. So their old profit sharing ratio was 2 is to 2 is to 3 is to 3 and new ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So I should do old minus new, old ratio minus new ratio. So when I am doing old ratio minus new ratio, Suresh and Ramesh is gaining 1 by 20. Okay, and Mahesh and Ganesh is sacrificing 1 by 20. Suresh and Ramesh is gaining and Mahesh and Ganesh is sacrificing. So the journal entry is gaining partners capital account debtor to sacrificing partners capital account, and total amount of goodwill is 90,000. Their sacrifice is 1 by 20 each. So 90,000 into 1 by 20 I should adjust here. Okay, these two are the gaining partners. That working note you can do. Suresh capital account debtor, Ramesh capital account debtor, 4,500, 4,500. Then to Mahesh, to Ganesh, 4,500 each. Now I am going to post this one to the partners capital account. Suresh capital account and Ramesh capital account. Debit side I should write 4,500 each. Okay. Suresh capital account and Ramesh capital account, debit side I am writing Suresh capital account debit side 4500 should come from Mahesh capital account 2500, from Ganesh capital account 2500. Okay, and for Ramesh also together it should be 4500, Mahesh 2500, sorry 2250, Ganesh 2250, okay, sorry, it's not 2500, 2250, together it is 4500 for Suresh and for Ramesh. And here Mahesh and Ganesh, credit side, Mahesh and Ganesh credit side 4500. See, 2250 from Suresh and 2250 from Ramesh. For Mahesh total it is 4500, and for Ganesh also 4500. Okay, now capital adjustment, sorry, goodwill adjustment is done. Now I have to find out the adjusted capital of all the four partners. Okay, adjusted capital, credit minus debit. So far we have done revaluation, profit, revaluation loss we transferred, opening balance we transferred first, then revaluation loss we transferred. Now goodwill adjustment we have done. Now we should do the credit minus debit to find out the adjusted capital of all the four partners. Okay, for Suresh it is 1 lakh minus 21,000. From where it is 21,000, 17,000 plus 2,250 plus 2,250, it is 21,000. So 1 lakh minus 21,000, that is the adjusted capital of Suresh, 78,500. And for Ramesh, here it is 1,50,000. Now revaluation low 17,000, 1,50,000 minus 17,000 minus 2,250 minus 2,250, it comes 1,28,500. And for Mahesh, 2 lakh plus 2,250 plus 2,250 minus 25,000. Okay, that is 1,79,000. And for Ganesh also, credit minus debit, 2,50,000 plus 2,250 plus 2,250 minus 25,500, 2,29,500. Now we got the adjusted capital of all the four partners. Now we need to take the total of adjusted capital. Total adjusted capital is 6,15,000. 6,15,000 is the total adjusted capital. This total adjusted capital I should distribute in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, it is given in the question like that. What is given in the adjustment? The capital of the partners will be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so new profit sharing ratio is equally between all the four partners, so 1/4. So 6,15,000 I'm going to distribute in the ratio 1:1:1:1. So 1/4 for each partner. So Suresh has to maintain 1,53,750 as Suresh capital. Just like that, all the four partners have to keep their capital as 1,53,750. So this is the closing capital balance. I'm going to write this amount here. See, 1,53,750 closing capital is this one. Now I should balance the partners capital account. Okay, this one minus this one. So for Suresh it is debit side is more, so balance comes on credit side. Suresh should bring extra capital 75,250. Here it is given. See, he should introduce extra capital because Suresh's adjusted capital is only 78,500, is it? But Suresh has to maintain 1,53,700 as his capital as per the new profit sharing ratio. So extra 75,250 Suresh should bring. Okay, while balancing this account, while balancing Suresh capital account, credit side minus debit side, you will get this amount. Okay, sorry, debit side minus, here debit side is more. So debit side minus credit side, you will get 75,250. And for Ramesh capital, adjusted capital is 1,28,500, is it? But Ramesh has to maintain 1,53,750. For Ramesh also capital is less, so Ramesh also should introduce 25,250 as the extra capital. Okay, debit side is more, so balance comes on the credit side, that is the additional capital introduced by Ramesh. And for Mahesh's adjusted capital is 1,79,000, is it? But Mahesh has to maintain only 1,53,000, so extra capital Mahesh can withdraw, that comes on the debit side to 25,250 Mahesh can withdraw. And what about Ganesh's adjusted capital is 6,15,000, okay, but Ramesh has to maintain only 1,53,000 capital, so extra capital Ramesh can withdraw. Sorry, that is the combined capital. Ganesh's total capital is 2,29,000. I'm sorry. Ganesh's adjusted capital is 2,29,000, but Ganesh has to maintain only 1,53,750. So 2,29,000 minus 1,53,750. Ganesh can withdraw 75,250 rupees. Ganesh can withdraw. Okay, now we got the capital balance also. Now I'm going to prepare balance sheet, and this will be the capital balance of all the 4 partners. Okay, then assets and liabilities I should write in balance sheet. So this is the balance sheet. Capital, in last step you got the capital 1,53,750 for each partner. Total capital is 6,15,000. And workman compensation, there was a claim of 1 lakh, so workman compensation claim, that is our liability, 1 lakh. Then sundry creditor, there is no change. Opening balance sheet 1,70,000 was there, and there is no adjustment, nothing was there, so same amount I wrote here. Now fixed assets, 6 lakh was given in the question as fixed asset, and there was a depreciation, and the balancing figure is 5,40,000. Current asset, it was 3,45,000. There was no adjustment, so same amount I transferred to the balance sheet. So this is the balance sheet. It tallied here like this now. Okay, I hope it is fine.